Are you looking to transfer ownership of your Telegram channel to someone else, whether you're moving on from a project or simply passing the torch to a trusted teammate? In this tutorial, I'll walk you through every step you need to change a Telegram channel's owner safely and smoothly. By the end of this video, you'll not only know exactly what buttons to press, but you'll also understand why each step matters, so you can transition ownership with total confidence. Let's dive right in. First, open up Telegram and find the channel that you want to transfer. You can do this from your chat list or by searching for the channel name. Make sure you have the correct channel selected. Double check, especially if you manage several. It's always best to be sure before making any changes to who runs your channel. Now, to get to the settings, tap the channel name right at the top of the screen. This will bring up the channel's profile page. Think of this as the channel's control center. Here you can tweak anything from how your channel looks to who's running the show behind the scenes. Next, look for the pencil icon, or it might just say Edit depending on your device. Tap on that. You're now in editing mode, which is where you can manage every detail about the channel. So far, so good. We're going to make someone else an admin with full rights. This is a critical step. Tap Administrators. This is like the guest list for backstage access. Only folks listed here can manage settings and moderate content. To start the handover process, tap Add Admin and then choose the user you want to become the new owner. You can search by name if you have a lot of members. Here's a really important bit. When you add your new admin, you have to grant them every possible permission. Don't skimp on this. Make sure options like change channel info, post messages, delete messages, invite users, and most importantly, manage admins are all enabled. You might think you can pick and choose, but for them to fully take over when you step away, they need the whole package. This is what sets them up as the future owner. Before you move on, double check you haven't missed any permissions. Sometimes one can slip by if you're tapping quickly. Saving these changes is like handing them the set of master keys to the channel. Once you've confirmed all the permissions, go ahead and hit save. The new admin is now set up to take over. Alright, now comes the actual transfer. Head back to the channel's main info page. See the 3 dots or more options in the corner. Tap that and you'll see the option to leave channel. This might feel a bit nerve-wracking. After all, you're giving up your own access. But there's a safeguard. Telegram only allows this if there's another admin with full rights already assigned. When you tap Leave Channel, Telegram will ask you to confirm your decision. This is the last chance to change your mind, so take a deep breath and only proceed when you're sure everything looks right. Once you confirm, you'll leave the channel and ownership will automatically transfer to the new full permission admin you just set up. There's no need to worry about the channel being ownerless. Telegram takes care of promoting the senior-most admin as long as you've left one behind. And that's it. The person you picked is now the new owner and can continue managing the channel without interruption. If any part of this process seems a bit fiddly on your device, don't worry. It can vary a bit between Android, iOS, or desktop, but the big steps are always the same. Remember, you can't leave a channel without making someone else admin first. Telegram won't let you, for everyone's safety. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or ran into snags, drop a comment below. And if you want more easy-to-follow Telegram tutorials, be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.